Whoa. A Gumball! Mine. No. Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair at all. I know. Not fair enough. Give us some. Well, I don't think this is fair. How easy. Wait, no. That's different. Orange! Yeah? I'm gonna eat it. 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 Ah, ah. Let's play hide and seek on it or something. Everybody say who you want. Who you want to do. First I'll say it. Orange. Hey! Then black, red. Yellow, red. Blue, red. White, red. Green, red. Big red, red. Orange, you. Fine. Okay. Count to 1,000,000. 1, 2, 3. Banana, octopus. Better get going. This guy doesn't even know how to count. I'm hiding with him. Banana, let's go. There. You see that orange thing? That's us. Perfect fit. Of course it is. We're geniuses. Oh, yeah, right. I have black and white hiding spots. Now let's go to black and white and see their hiding spots. We're so smart. I'm so smart. You can say that for me too. At yellows and blues. Where should we hide? Where should we hide? Ooh, I know. Pig. Hello. Get out of here. Little pig. Let's get inside a box. Yeah. Hey, green. Oh. Done. Big red. Stop the Gumball. Oh my god. I know. This is How's it get in? Okay then. Okay then. Stay inside this. This is hard to fit in. Back at Red. 50,000, 2001, banana, cantaloupe, nom, Luigi, hard hat pig, 1,000,000. I don't know how to count. So, where could any of these birds could have gone? What's the size of this box? Doesn't look right. Need to. Need to. I want this thing to go down. I just have to pull it through it inside it. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Whoa, that's heavy. Wait. Big? Yeah, it's me. Why didn't you grab me? Okay then, found you. I already know. That's not suicide. No, sirree. Never seen this box upside. Well, I'm curious, so let's tip it over. What's that? There. Now, get the box out of the way. Well, I don't hear anything inside it. Blue. Aha! Found you guys. I'm going to Australia. Back to nothing. But I want a gumball. No gumball for you. If I catch everybody, it's my gumball. Now, where's my? I checked everywhere. I can't. 5 hours later. Ugh! Checked everywhere. I give up. Does that mean you win? Wait, what? You win. Green? Orange? We win. We win. We win. Alright. Alright. Alright, you're imbeciles. Where's Orange? He's hiding right with me. But anyway, I found you. Trick. Well, that means the only one left is Orange. He wins. Let's put the gumball with me, you know. Shut up. Orange, come out. Did I win? Yeah, you won. Can you split the gumball with me? Sure. You told you so. Shut up. God, whoa. Red, get out of the way. Why? Red, me, orange, girl. Ow. Man, I hate the gumball. You said you split it with me. Sure. How are we gonna split it? How are we gonna split it then? I'll get a knife. Got it. Okay, where's my piece? Here. Cool. Tastes awesome. My piece. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. I hate grape. Can I have it? Sure. Well, Gumball. Yay. That's the end. End. One for Avengers.